Before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe, because what you're about to hear is unlike anything on Earth. This is the sound of the legendary Leviathan, a creature so massive, so powerful, its roar feels like it comes from the deepest part of the ocean itself. Close your eyes and imagine it. Towering scales, endless shadow, and an ancient beast that commands the sea. Every vibration shakes the water. Every echo reminds you that this monster rules the depths. Scientists call it myth, legends call it unstoppable. But when you hear this sound, your mind can't help but wonder, what if something this huge really does exist? This isn't just noise. It's power. It's mystery. It's the voice of a creature older than fear itself. Ready to feel the ocean tremble? Turn your volume up. Breathe in and prepare yourself. This is the sound of the Leviathan. Would you survive hearing this? Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more terrifying ocean legends.